Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Today we're taking a look at a beautiful SB Dunk, one half of the Nike SB City of Love Dunk Pack. This is the light bone colorway. There is also a burgundy pair as well, which I sadly could not get my hands on. These were released on February 9th, 2024 at a retail price of $125. Representing one half of the City of Love collection, the Nike Dunk Low Premium SB Light Bone blends luxe materials with a tonal design. The upper features a white satin base with ivory suede overlays at the forefoot and heel, a tumbled leather swoosh maintaining a monochrome color palette. In a nod to the mythic red Thread of Fate, graphic insoles display two hands linked by string tied around the pinky finger. The theme is repeated with red stitching encircling the off-white rubber midsole. As far as resale, it's actually pretty modest for a Nike SB, but there is still money to be made. Most sizes are priced close to $140 to $160, but I do feel that value might go up over time because the materials on the shoe are incredible. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for your support and have a great day.